So today we're gonna make curried chicken. We're actually gonna make curry chicken Jamaican style, not the Indian style, Jamaican style. So the first thing you want to do is wash and clean the chicken. And the best chicken to use is chicken legs and chicken thighs, as the meat is stronger and it won't break, because curried chicken is made kind of like a stew, so you cook it for a long time. So what you want to do is you want to chop your chicken up in small bite-sized pieces, so it doesn't take such a long time to cook, since as you want to have a nice thick gravy and you don't want to overcook your condiments, potatoes and carrots. So what we're doing now is we're just chopping up our chicken, removing the excess fat, and then we're gonna season with our curry, a little black pepper, a little bit of salted seasoning, and then we're gonna just put it in our pot with hot oil. So now we've chopped up our chicken. So the thing what you want to do is you want to make sure you don't chop with the front of your knife. You always want to chop with the back of your knife. So what we're adding now is we add our seasoning salt, we add black pepper, and we add a lot of curry, because you want to get that. The curry is the main ingredient, so you want to add a lot of curry. So now we're adding a little extra virgin olive oil. So the olive oil helps to disperse your seasoning, so you can leave it for like 5-10 minutes so it just marinates and seeps in the meat. So what we're doing now, we're just rubbing out our curry all over our chicken. Then we're gonna leave it for 5 minutes and we're just gonna let it marinate. So now we've seasoned our chicken, so we're gonna put our pot on the stove, heat it up, and add some oil. After you add the oil, you want to add your chicken and you want to brown. Browning the chicken helps to burn the curry, and that's how you get your flavor, because you want to burn your curry all around your meat and extract that flavor from the curry. So as you burn your curry, you want to just leave it on there so it gets nice and brown. Turn your heat down and just multitask and chop up your vegetables and condiments. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna chop up our vegetable and our condiments and just get ready to put those in our dish. So right now we're just chopping up all our stuff. As we finish chopping up our stuff, what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to our stove and we're gonna add them, cover, and let that just reduce and simmer for a while. So now if you look at our meat, it looks nice and brown. So we're gonna add our vegetables. We're gonna add some water. You wanna add enough water to like bring to half the amount of stuff that you have in your pot. And then you're gonna just let that simmer and sweat. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna cut this pineapple. So this is some extra stuff. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut this pineapple because I'm gonna actually serve my dish in this pineapple. So watch this video to the end. You really wanna watch this video to the end to see how we serve our curry chicken in this pineapple. And as always, if you like this video, why not subscribe to the channel? Hit the like button, drop a comment, and support yours truly, the Crazy Chef. So right now I'm just taking the meat from the pineapple because we're gonna serve our rice and our chicken in this very pineapple right here. So now you notice our gravy, our sauce, and we're gonna put it, it's getting thicker. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna get thicker and thicker. So now you just turn your heat down and just simmer. So now you're on a simmering process, and we're gonna get ready to serve our dish. So as always, crazy, creative kitchen. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. And this is curried chicken, Jamaican style. And just as our chicken is bubbling away, we're gonna remove it from the heat, or we're gonna remove it from the stove, and we're gonna get ready to serve our dish. And this is our rice, white rice, curried chicken served in a pineapple. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Share on social media. See you on the next video. Crazy Creative Kitchen.